Welcome to the Tech Basement. Today we're going to take a look at the Red Devil RX 6950 XT that I purchased off of eBay. Did I get taken? Part 2. What we're going to do is to verify that the BIOS is correct. What you can do is go to Tech PowerUp and look at their BIOS database, which I am showing down here, and verify that through the GPU-Z program. As you can see, we do have the proper BIOS on this card, so we are on a great start of verifying that this card at least has the correct BIOS and should be running at the correct speeds, frequencies, and power. Next, just for the fun of it, I would like to compare the Vega 64 to my new card. I know there's going to be a bit of increase. And the way I'm going to do it, seeing I'm a big VR person, is I'm going to use a program. It's not really a bench program, but for our cases, you could call it a benchmark program. It's more of a baseline of where I'm coming from and where I'm going to. So as you can see, we're going to use OpenVR Benchmark. And the Vega 64, you can see right here, has about a 30 frame, according to this program, a 30 frames per second. So now let's look at the Red Devil. You can see that the Red Devil has almost 2/3 that. So I'm really happy with that. Finally, a real important part of this is temperatures. These cards, the 6900 series, has been plagued in some circumstances with high temperatures. So this is one of the final things that I would like to look at in this particular ITX build that I'm showing you here. Just for giggles here, I wanted to show a couple different games within VR with their temperatures, and I'll just show really short snippets of it so that you can see the temperatures here. Just be aware on the program I used, I didn't reset it each time I went into every game, so the high is going to be at 86 or 87, right in that range. So just be aware of that. And as you can see, after the fall, the high temperature that I achieved was 87 degrees, which is pretty high. It's not too bad, especially being on air and in this small ITX case we got here. Contractors playing Battlefield mod got a respectable mid to low 50s. Walking Dead Saints and Sinners, low to mid 60s. And Half-Life Alyx, I actually thought this was going to be pushing more heat than what it is, and it only got up to 78 degrees. Now, here was just a fun one. Mini golf, and it didn't push the temperatures hardly at all. It didn't go too far from my base idle temperatures for the card, which is right around 50 to 55, right in that area. As you can see, it is only at 55 degrees at the hottest. By the way, I played each of these games for about a half an hour. As you can see, I have not been taken as far as I'm concerned. Everything with the Red Devil is running very, very nice. If there's any temperature problems or anything like that, I believe it's not going to be the card itself. It's either going to be the setup, as in the ITX build. Not a lot of air, things like that. I did not have all the same cables for my 750 Platinum power supply. I know that's a little, but the 750 Platinum is a solid power supply. And I've proved that by streaming with this already in my last few weeks playing. Yeah, I know, it's only Walkabout Mini Golf so far that I've streamed. Well, I take that back because I did Levitation on my live Friday review. So that was really nice. The graphics are just phenomenal. I'm enjoying the living daylights out of it. So thank you, seller. I have the seller's name down below. He does not sell much at all. I think since 2013 he's only sold 2 things, and the second one was this card. If you like this video, you have any comments, please put them down below. Hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe for further content and streams. This is Chris, saying out.